All eyes are on Monday and Tuesday, but we still have the weekend. And it'll be cold, but the major weather event is next week.
We get the cold first. That arrives this weekend. Monday, Tuesday is our best opportunity for some wintry weather. So let's get you through the weekend first, because as long as you bundle up, you can get outside both days of the weekend. Both days are sunny. Both days have a breeze. Saturday, noticeably warmer than Sunday, although Saturday will be cooler than today. 59 your high here tomorrow afternoon, and then just 42 on Sunday, and we'll start much colder than that here at the beginning of the day. So this cold front is working its way through North Texas and the Panhandle right now. Gets here soon after midnight. Let's time its arrival. So out ahead of the front, reasonably mild air. As we get past the front, say between about 1 a.m. and 4 a.m., it moves through the majority of the area. Then temperatures start to drop into tomorrow morning, and we'll be starting your Saturday in the low 40s and even some upper 30s. So mild for the next few hours, but once that front comes in, then we cool off. But here's the thing. This front only delivers an initial surge of chill. Plenty of sun tomorrow is still going to allow us to bounce back in the mid to upper 50s with a few spots in the low 60s, which is not that bad. Get stuff done here tomorrow. Get some fresh air tomorrow. Yes, it'll be a little cool with the breeze, but then we get a second reinforcing shot of colder air. That's the one that takes us back below freezing Sunday morning. And we don't warm up much Sunday. Low 40s in the afternoon, some places in the hill country not getting out of the 30s. And then we get even colder here for Monday morning, starting in the mid 20s, even some low 20s. When you factor in the wind, it will feel much colder than that. This is the wind chill here Sunday morning. We've got the Austin International Half Marathon Sunday morning. It'll feel like the upper teens and low 20s as that begins at 7:30. Midday Sunday, it'll feel like low 30s at best, and it will feel like the mid to upper 30s Sunday afternoon. And then the wind chills Monday morning back down in the teens again for most of us. Parts of the hill country could see wind chills in the single digits. Let's talk about where our moisture is coming from. We showed you the cold coming in from the north, but we're actually going to get the moisture for some wintry mix potential coming in from the south. Let's take you into Sunday and then Monday. And then here we go. There comes the moisture off the Gulf of Mexico. That'll be moving north into central Texas, but likely not until late in the day on Monday. I want to show you two different computer models and some of the differences that we're looking at. This is the European computer model that doesn't bring any wintry weather in until late Monday evening and Monday night, but keeping it mainly as snow here in the blue through the overnight into Tuesday morning. Although some wintry weather may mix in, rain, sleet, freezing rain. This particular model keeps it mainly as snow, and then drier weather takes over here Tuesday afternoon. The American computer model, this one, actually brings in the precipitation a bit earlier during the mid-afternoon. There's more of a mix here, the rain, sleet, and freezing rain possible, and snow. And you can see the snow in the blue and more of that wintry mix here south of Austin through the overnight hours into Tuesday morning. Should still end as snow as we get into late Tuesday morning with drier weather taking over here for Tuesday afternoon. So we're pretty confident on the timing, late Monday, Tuesday morning, but the precipitation type still in flux. We're thinking Austin and north will be mainly snow, but you may start as a little bit of rain at the beginning and a little rain at the end, and then a wintry mix of snow, perhaps some sleet and freezing rain and rain south of Austin where temperatures may be slightly warmer. As far as the percentages, the chances of wintry weather during the day on Monday, it's only at 20%. But Monday evening, night, overnight, that jumps to 60%, primarily snow. And then for the majority of the daylight hours on Tuesday, those chances drop down to 30%. So we think the bulk of the wintry weather will come Monday night into the pre-dawn hours of Tuesday. Then we continue the cold. Wednesday morning will actually be our coldest morning, down to 20. And we start to warm up, mid-40s Wednesday, 50s Thursday and Friday. We'll be right back.